Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat call audio. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat call audio, you should just go to settings. Then in this page you'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will search about this window of Snapchat. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on for stop and you will click OK. After that we click storage. Here we go to click clear cache, and in the end you can search about Snapchat and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.